Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sonata. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, mud guards, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cargo net, carpeted floor mats. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.